everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be shopping for pet supplies at PetSmart. And lucky for us, we have a list right here to tell us what we need to get. We already have some of the things. And we're going to go to PetSmart and get what else we need. Let's go see what we can find. First, we're gonna get toys, and the first thing that comes to my mind is Kong. We want to get Kong because we can put peanut butter in it, and when we're crate training it, we can put it in the crate, and it will learn. Now, every time it goes in the crate, it gets a treat, and it will create a nice experience for the dog. Fence collar, $9. Not too much bling. That's okay with me. Now for the big decision, collar or harness. Since we're on a tight budget right now, we decided to go with a collar. And this one I saw looks super cute. It's blue and it's adjustable. It's perfect for Pearl. We've decided to get oatmeal shampoo since their skin is so soft when they're little puppies. And luckily we found it right here on the shelf for $11. The list says that I need a really cool sticker brush for dogs because this dog's going to be a long-haired dog. We need it to love getting combed because it's going to participate in shows and everything. Honestly, to be honest, I don't like it. It feels bad. I'm a hairstylist. So, looks like we're getting this. The list also said we're going to need some crinkle toys, and I really like this koala, even though it looks like an elephant. Maybe we can get the seal that doesn't look like an elephant. And it has sunglasses. It's going to the beach. It's a wonderful day to go to the beach with a dog who's gonna maul him. So let's get this beautiful little seal. Time for treats. Since she is a cattle dog from Australia, we're gonna get beef flavored treats. Arby's, we've got the meats. We're definitely getting this for Pearl on Halloween. She can be Mr. Paws, but she's a dog. We're gonna engrave Pearl's tag right now at this really cool machine at PetSmart. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Let's do it back first. Let's do it back. Don't call us, please. We don't want too much fun mail.
Laser light.
Laser. Whoa, gotta be hot, bro. I'm feeling it's gonna be hot. Yeah, it's actually pretty warm. Pearl. Well, we're gonna wrap it up for today, and we all know that we could have just did this on Amazon for a little bit cheaper, but it is really fun to go to the store and actually visualize it, touch it, see if it's the right size, and you're not always so sure with Amazon. And Mr. Amazon is like the richest guy on the earth, so enough already.